If you need to send a Prezi presentation quickly and in the simplest way possible, this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step. This is the most common method because it lets your recipient open and watch your presentation directly in a web browser without needing their own Prezi account. So whether you're sharing it with a client, a teacher, a teammate, or anyone else, this method is fast, clean, and easy to follow. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure you subscribe for more practical software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump into it. First, log into your Prezi account and go to your Prezi dashboard. This is where all of your presentations are stored, and from here you'll be able to find the one you want to send. Look for the presentation thumbnail that matches the project you want to share. Once you've found it, you have a couple of ways to start the sharing process. You can click the share icon, which looks like an arrow pointing to the right, or you can click the three dots next to the presentation and choose share link from the menu. Both options will take you to the same sharing setup, so just use whichever is easier for you. After that, click the create new link button. This is the step that generates a unique shareable link for your presentation. Prezi may ask you to label the link, and if it does, type the name of your recipient or company. This is only for your own tracking, so it helps you stay organized if you're creating multiple share links for different people. It does not change what the recipient sees. Once you've entered the name, click Create Link. Prezi will now generate the link for you. When the link appears, click Copy to copy the URL to your clipboard. This is important because it saves time and makes it easy to paste the presentation link anywhere you want. Now that the link is copied, open your email, Slack channel, text message, or any other place where you want to send it. Paste the link into your message and send it to your recipient. When they open it, they'll be able to view the Prezi presentation online in their browser. No extra downloads, no account setup, and no complicated steps on their end. If you want to double check everything before sending, make sure the link is correct and that the presentation is the one you intended to share. That way, you can avoid sending the wrong file or the wrong version. And that's it. You've now learned how to send a Prezi presentation the easy way using a shareable link. It's a simple process, but it's incredibly useful for business, school, and team collaboration. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.